Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2003 Honda VTX1800. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description, or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This trike has 10,199 miles, and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output of 14 volts, and we have installed 3 new tires on this trike. Our technician has noted that the rear air suspension has a leak. We took this trike on a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We posted the actual service repair order so you can see exactly the parts and labor we invested in this trike when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There is a scratch on the front turn signal. This trike has 1 key and has been upgraded with a motor trike kit, windshield, tour pack, engine guard, floorboards, a Mustang seat, a rear bumper, and a luggage rack. It has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.